need some help because I don't know how to do this. So with this disc conversion kit, I got two brackets. This one that goes here on the back of the spindle, like that. And then this one that seems to bolt to the back of this one. And there's two spacers to hold this bracket here. So I think I have it sitting correctly. Maybe you can see better like that. I think I have it right. Seems right. Then there's a spacer that goes on here, and then the hub. So let me get that set up, show you guys. Maybe you guys can leave a comment, tell me if I'm doing it right or not. So we'll put the hub on here next. The spacer's already in the back of it. You can kind of see it there. But I need all these hands to do this. Hopefully somebody out there has done this before. So we got the hub on there. And then we'll come around this way. Take a look at the caliper. Now this looks right to me, but I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. May or may not have this correct. If you guys have done a disc conversion, like I said, I haven't gotten any I didn't get any directions with this, or even a picture. You could draw it in crayon. I don't really care. Just give me something to go off of. So here I got the bleeder here. Let me get this out of here. So the best I can tell, that's how she's gonna sit in there. I think. So, you know, you got your brackets and your rotor and your hub. And that bracket sits right there, and I think this just, obviously it's gonna drop in like that, but do I have the brackets in the right spot? And if you could tell me if you think I do, or you think I don't, or you have any tips or advice or anything. The company I got this from, I'm not gonna tell you who it is because I don't wanna bag on people, but they're not answering my calls or emails or anything like that. But I think, from what I can tell, this is the way to do it. So please let me know if you have any experience with this at all. Thanks for watching.